Cold start, 67, 427, 435. Motor's cold, been sitting here for, I don't know, about a week now. So, go ahead. Get it outside, we'll do a walk around on it. Work good. Just let me know. Shoulder belt car, headrest seats, 435, tank sticker, validated by the NCRS, two-time NCRS Top Flight awarded car, one national, one regional. This is the car here, guys. It's the Holy Grail, the Corvette everybody wants. So, more pictures and video coming soon. This is the real deal, fully documented. All numbers matching. Red with a white interior and a white stinger. Undercarriage of 1967 red, white, 427, 435 horse body off restored car with a tank sticker that's been verified by the NCRS as original to this car. Car's got F41 suspension, factory side pipe car, shoulder belts. Just lots of options on this car. I want to show you a video of it underneath. Everything on this car is right. All the components are dated right, casted right. VIN number stamped in the tranny in the front pad, matches the car. I mean, everything on this car is how it should be. It's got a national top flight with the NCRS and a chapter top flight. So a national NCRS Top Flight is one of the hardest ones to get, so you know this car is a good car. But if you guys want to see anything else, just let me know. But this is a nice one. Got all the right markings on everything, all the tags, everything. TI up in the fender, up in the TI box there. Got the right horns on it. No hit body, just a beautiful car. Headrest seats, just this car's got tons of options. So probably one of the most optioned 435 cars you'll see. And it's a real factory side pipe car. And these are original GM pipes on this car, so it has the right sound. So, if you need to see anything else, just ask and I'll get it for you. These are the original notches in the bird cage. So you know it's a factory side pipe car. You can see them one out through there. Show you on the other side. There's the block casting date. Been stamped in the side of the tranny. See how the notches are out through there. It's hard to get them to show, but that's how they should be right there. That's how it should be. So it's a great car. If you guys would like to see anything else or request for any other videos, anything that you need pictures of, anything, just ask and I'll get it for you.